Imagine a courtroom drama. The tension is palpable. The air is thick with anticipation as everyone waits for the next move. Two sides clash in a battle for justice. Each side is determined to present their case in the best possible light. At the heart of this battle lies the quest for truth. The judge and jury are there to uncover the facts and deliver a fair verdict. This is where examination-in-chief comes in. It's a critical phase in the trial process. Examination-in-chief is the opportunity for a party to present their version of events. It's their moment to shine and make their case. It's their chance to call witnesses and ask questions. These questions are designed to elicit information that supports their case. Through this process, they aim to build a convincing narrative and persuade the judge or jury of their case. Every detail matters. Think of it like building a house. Just as a house needs a strong foundation, a legal case needs a solid base of evidence. Each question asked during examination-in-chief is like laying a brick. Each brick is essential to the structure. Each answer helps construct a complete picture of the case. The more precise the questions, the stronger the case. In the Qanun-e-Shahadat Order 1984, which governs evidence law in Pakistan, examination-in-chief plays a crucial role. It sets the stage for the entire trial. It's the foundation upon which a case is built. Without a strong examination-in-chief, the case may falter. This phase is essential for establishing credibility and presenting a coherent story. The primary purpose of examination-in-chief is straightforward: to present your side of the story. This involves carefully extracting relevant information from your witnesses. You want to establish the facts as you see them. This means presenting evidence that supports your claims. You also want to present a credible narrative. The judge or jury needs to believe your version of events. A well-executed examination-in-chief strengthens your case. It allows you to control the flow of information. You can highlight favorable evidence and minimize any potential damage. Finally, it's crucial to avoid contradictions during examination-in-chief. Conflicting statements can weaken your case and damage the credibility of your witnesses. The courtroom isn't a free-for-all. It's a place where order and decorum are paramount. There are rules to follow, especially during examination-in-chief. This phase is crucial for presenting your case effectively. One of the most important rules is relevancy. Every question asked must have a direct connection to the case. All questions must be relevant to the case at hand. Irrelevant questions can confuse the jury and waste valuable time. Leading questions are generally prohibited during examination-in-chief. These are questions that suggest the answer within the question itself. These are questions that suggest the answer. For example, asking, "You were at the scene, weren't you?" instead of "Where were you at the time?" The goal is to elicit information from the witness, not to put words in their mouth. This ensures the testimony is genuine and credible. Witnesses can only testify about what they personally know. They must have a direct knowledge of the events they describe. This is known as the personal knowledge requirement. It ensures that the testimony is based on first-hand experience. Hearsay or information obtained from someone else is generally inadmissible. This rule prevents unreliable second-hand information from influencing the case. Throughout the process, the judge plays a crucial role. They act as the gatekeeper of the evidence presented. They ensure the rules of evidence are followed. The judge's role is to maintain the integrity of the trial. They also ensure fairness to both sides. The judge's impartiality is key to a just outcome. Let's imagine a scenario to illustrate examination-in-chief in action. This is a crucial part of any trial, where the plaintiff's lawyer presents their case by calling witnesses to testify. Suppose there's a car accident on a busy city street involving two vehicles. The plaintiff claims the defendant ran a red light, causing the collision and resulting in significant damage. During examination in chief, the plaintiff's lawyer would call witnesses to support this claim, aiming to build a strong case. They might call an eyewitness who saw the accident unfold from a nearby sidewalk or another vehicle. The lawyer would ask detailed questions to establish what the witness saw and heard at the time of the accident. For example, where were you standing at the time of the accident? How far were you from the intersection? What did you see happen? Can you describe the sequence of events as you remember them? Did you notice the color of the traffic light? Was it red, yellow, or green when the defendant's car entered the intersection? The lawyer might also call a police officer who investigated the accident scene shortly after it occurred. They might ask about the position of the vehicles after the crash, any skid marks and other physical evidence. They might also ask about any statements made by the defendant at the scene, such as admissions of fault or explanations of their actions. Through this process, the lawyer aims to paint a clear picture for the judge and jury, helping them understand exactly what happened and who is responsible. Section 5. The power of your story. Why examination in chief matters. Examination in chief is a critical stage in any trial. It's your opportunity to present your version of events clearly and convincingly. A well-executed examination in chief can be the difference between winning and losing your case. It allows you to build a strong foundation for your arguments. It also helps establish the credibility of your witnesses in the eyes of the judge or jury. Remember, the goal is to present your case in the best possible light. By understanding the rules and strategies of examination in chief, you are better equipped to navigate the complexities of the legal system. Beyond the courtroom, the intricacies of examination in chief have far-reaching implications. Understanding these legal processes empowers individuals in their daily lives, whether you're negotiating a contract, resolving a dispute, or simply engaging in a debate. The principles of presenting evidence and constructing a narrative are invaluable. The ability to articulate your thoughts clearly, support your claims with evidence, and anticipate counter-arguments are essential skills in various aspects of life. By grasping the fundamentals of examination in chief, you equip yourself with the tools to navigate conflicts effectively and advocate for your interests. Examination in chief is a cornerstone of a fair trial. It ensures that both parties have an equal opportunity to present their case before an impartial judge or jury. This process is crucial for upholding justice and maintaining the integrity of the legal system. When conducted properly, examination in chief allows the truth to emerge. It provides a platform for witnesses to share their stories and for evidence to be scrutinized. This transparency is essential for building trust in the judicial process and ensuring that justice is served. Navigating the legal system can be daunting. Understanding your rights and the rules of the game is crucial for protecting your interests. This is where knowledge of legal processes such as examination in chief becomes empowering. By familiarizing yourself with these concepts, you can better understand your own legal rights and responsibilities. You'll be better equipped to communicate with your lawyer and participate actively in your case. Remember, knowledge is power. By arming yourself with information about the legal system, you empower yourself to navigate legal challenges with greater confidence and achieve more favorable outcomes. The legal system, with its complexities and nuances, can often seem like a foreign language. However, by taking the time to understand its key components, like examination in chief, we empower ourselves to engage with it effectively. I encourage you to delve deeper into the world of law, explore resources, engage in discussions, and never hesitate to seek clarification when needed. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your legal rights and the workings of the justice system is essential for navigating life's challenges and advocating for yourself and others.